Welcome to the channel Mathpedia. Now I will discuss a few case study based question of class 10. So your first question is that in a potato race, a bucket is placed in the at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potatoes, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. So a competitor starts from the bucket and picks up the nearest potatoes, runs back with it, drop it in the bucket and runs back to pick up the next potato, runs back like this way. She continues these things. So here question is that what is the distance traveled by the competitor to pick first potato? So what is the distance between first potato and bucket? So 5 meter, here you see the given, which is 5 meter from the first potato. So 5 meter from the, suppose you consider here is the first potato. So distance is here 5 meter. So here to here distance 5 meter, then she goes back. So that means total distance she travels 5 plus 5, 10 meter. 10 is the answer here. Next, what is the distance traveled by the competitor to pick second potato? So second potato distance this 5, then second potatoes you consider here. So plus 3. So distance between two potatoes 3 meter apart in the straight line. So 8. So 8 plus again back distance is 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Next, what is the distance traveled by the competitor to pick the third potato? So distance of the third potato, here you consider the third potato again plus 3. 8 distance, 8 meter, then plus 3, that is 11 meter. And you multiply by 2, 11, that is 22 is the answer here. The given problem is based on which concept? Arithmetic progression, geometric progression, or harmonic progression, HP, AP, GP, or HP, or none of these. So here distance is 5, here distance is 8, here distance is 11. So this way it's continuous. So here always adding 3, 3 like this. So that means this is a arithmetic progression. Next, find the total distance traveled by the competitor. So how you find out the total distance? So that means total distance traveled by the competitor. So how can you find out? So first distance is 5, then this is a arithmetic progression. So how can we find out total distance? Going back, going, so here Sn, for this formula we'll use Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, sum of a arithmetic progression. Okay, so here n, how many potatoes here? 10 potatoes. So n equals to here 10 and 2a is the first number is here 5. So 5 into 2 here 10 plus n minus 1, 10 minus 1, that is 9, and d is the common difference. So what is the common difference? 5, 8, 11, that means 3 is the common difference. So here, so that is 5 into 9 into 3, 27 plus 10, 37. So 37, this one, 37 into 5, 37 into 5 is here 185. That is the distance, and back distance also is there. He pick up one potatoes and again back, runs back and keep it in the bucket and again back. So that means it will be multiplied by 2. So total, you will get the total distance. So what is the total distance? 185 into 2, that is 370. So 370 is the answer. Yeah. Total distance traveled by the competitor. Next, case study based question here, another one. Ayush starts walking from his house to office instead of going to the office directly. He goes to bank first, from there to his daughter's school, and then reach the office. Here given assume you consider this one in a straight line. If the house situated at 2,4 point, bank at 5,8 point, school at 13,14 point, and office at 13,26. Coordinates are in kilometer. You consider the distance are in kilometer. So what is the distance between house and bank? House and bank. So here house point is 2,4 and bank is 5,8. So what is the distance between these 2 points? We'll use that distance formula. Here x1 minus x2, that is 5 minus 2 it whole square plus y1 minus y2. So 8 minus 4 it whole square. So that is 5 minus 2 is 3, 9 plus 8 minus 4, that is 4, 16, 16 plus 9, 25, that is 5. So 5 kilometer is the distance between house and bank. Next, what is the distance between daughter's school and bank? So school and bank. So school position is 13, 14. So find the distance. Again, same formula, distance formula. 14 x1 minus x2 it whole square plus y1. Sorry, here first written y1 minus y2 and then x1 minus x2. 5 it whole square. So that is 14 minus 8, that is 36 plus 13, this one 13 minus 5, that is 8, that is 64, that is total sum is here 100, that is 100, that is 10. So 10 kilometer is the distance between daughter's school and bank, this distance. Next, what is the distance between house and office? House and office. So office is at 13,26 point 26 here. So next same formula we'll use here. So x1 minus x2 13 minus 2 it whole square plus 26 minus 2 it whole square. Okay, so that means 13 minus 2, that is 11 square, 121. 26 minus 4, that is 22, 22 square, 484. So plus here. So if you add, you will get the answer. You will get the answer 24.6. 24.6 is square root sum of this one. Square root 24.6 will be the answer. What is the total distance traveled by Ayush to reach the office? Total distance. So you need this distance. You know that distance. You calculated this distance also. You have to find out this distance. So how we calculate again distance formula 13,26 and 13,14. So distance. So 13 minus 13 0 square and 26 minus 14. 26 minus 14, that is 12 square is 144 square root is 12 is the distance. So total distance how we calculate, you add this one, this distance is 5, this one 10, this one 12. So that means total distance travel 27. Next, what is the extra distance traveled by Ayush? So extra distance here, how we calculate? Total distance here 27 minus distance between house and office, that is 24.6. So you subtract 27 minus 24.6, you will get 2.4. So 2.4 kilometer is the distance traveled, extra distance traveled by Ayush.